Unicode makes hotel check-ins smoother than ever, and if you're looking for a simple way to streamline the process, stick with me to the end. I'm going to break down exactly how to use Unicode for hotel check-ins in a way that'll have you managing your reservations effortlessly. I'll also cover some important points you might not know and show you why Unicode could be a game changer. So, let's get started. First thing you need to know about Unicode is how easy it is to use for both guests and hotel staff. When you book a hotel that supports Unicode, you'll receive a digital check-in code after booking. All you have to do is open the Uniqode app or website, enter your booking details, and boom, you'll receive your check-in code. It's that simple. Next thing, the check-in code you get is unique to your reservation, and it's also time-sensitive, which is a key feature. This eliminates the need to worry about lost reservations or mix-ups at the front desk. All you need to do is show up and enter the code to gain access to your room. For security, the code is valid for a set period, so you're protected without compromising convenience. Now, the third thing I want to point out is the integration with other hotel management systems. Unicode makes it easy for hotels to sync their booking system with Unicode, meaning everything runs smoothly on both ends. However, not all hotel management systems play nicely with Unicode. If you're staying at a hotel that doesn't support it or the hotel system is outdated, this might cause issues. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that Unicode doesn't just streamline the check-in process, it's also designed to reduce wait times. Instead of standing in line at the front desk, you can get straight to your room. If the hotel uses self-check-in kiosks or digital room access, you can breeze through without any hassles. But there's something important to note. While Unicode simplifies check-ins, it's not perfect for all types of guests. Some people might find the tech a bit intimidating, especially if they aren't familiar with apps or digital interfaces. Also, not all hotels have fully embraced digital check-ins, so you might run into a situation where the system isn't as effective. Now, let's talk alternatives. While Unicode is a great option, there are other platforms out there that offer similar features, but with added perks. For example, some systems offer loyalty points or better customization of check-in processes, which could be more suitable for frequent travelers. But here's the catch. Unicode has a unique advantage when it comes to seamless integration with hotel systems, which makes it more reliable for certain locations. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that you can try Unicode for yourself with an exclusive extended free trial if you use the link in the description. But I've also found some amazing alternatives that might suit your needs better, and they also offer free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, check it out and see which platform works best for you when it comes to making your hotel check-in smooth and hassle-free.